If you're ready to advance your career to the next level, meaning you want to move to the next level of management or senior management or even to the executive level, you have to avoid making the same mistake on your resume that I've seen thousands of people make over the course of my career. I'm David Pinkley, founder of the Resume Sage, and for over 2 decades, I've been helping professionals manage and advance their careers. I want to help you avoid making such an obvious mistake on your resume that can actually hinder your ability to move up. What's the mistake? The mistake is that we write the resume for too low of a level, meaning this. Think about it. Your resume probably talks about your current job and your past jobs, your past responsibilities, your past accomplishments. And sometimes we get too into the weeds of all the technical things that we've done over the course of years. And those things are great, but at some point you have to let go. And you have to write the resume at a higher level. What do I mean? If you're down here and you're writing your resume for a manager or hiring executive who's sitting here, you're never going to get to this level because the person that you're writing it for only hires people below them. If you want to get one level up in your career, well, you've got to write a resume that's 2 levels up because the audience that you're trying to attract is way up here. It's this person up here who can hire you for a job down here. To do that isn't easy. You have to let go of some of the things in the past, and you have to be willing to embrace things that you haven't thought about before, and you have to really lean forward into your potential and to convince somebody who's way up here that you can do a job that you've never done before. That's the secret to moving up. That's a secret from the Resume Sage. I'm David Pinkley. See you soon.